When it comes to making money online, the most effective tool in your possession is not social media, SEO, or sponsored search ads. Instead, the most effective tool is something else entirely. It's just an email. The conversion rates for email marketing are far higher than those of any other marketing channel. In point of fact, getting new consumers via email is 40 times more effective than doing it using Facebook or Twitter. According to research conducted by the international management consulting firm McKinsey & Company, sales done through email generate 3 times the amount of revenue as sales made through social media. Do you wish to begin making money from your email list right away? Then follow these 8 proven ways to make money with email marketing. Here are 8 proven ways to cash in on the emails you're sending out. 1. Make a profit by selling a good or a service. Do you already have a service or product that you can sell? Awesome! You are free to skip over this section. If not, then this is the very first action you need to take. Find a service or product, whether it's digital or physical, to sell. Your efforts to make money with email marketing will be incredibly challenging and, dare I say it, even impossible if you do not have a product to advertise and sell. Are you having trouble deciding what to promote to your audience? To get you started, here are some ideas to consider. Ebooks, training guides, online courses, private virtual coaching sessions, classes or workshops, memberships. Take a look at how this YouTuber promotes weight loss ebooks to her audience using email marketing. 2. Sell other people's products. It is not always necessary to sell your goods or services in order to generate revenue from email marketing. Alternately, you might become an affiliate for the items or services offered by other companies. You are eligible to receive commissions from sales that you bring in for a company if you become an affiliate for that firm. One excellent example of an affiliate connection is as follows. The clients of an online business coach receive guidance in the area of planning. She recommends affiliate products like as website builders and email marketing providers to meet the requirements of her customers in the areas of marketing and sales. This helps her customers transform her recommendations into actionable steps. Before you start engaging in affiliate marketing, you need to make certain that you have a solid relationship with your subscribers and that you only offer goods and services to them that are relevant to their needs. In that case, they might cancel their subscription. 3. Upsell premium or exclusive products. Upselling, also known as cross-selling, refers to the practice of selling extra items or services to a customer at the same time as they are purchasing something else. This is one of the most lucrative ways to make money with email marketing. Let's imagine you're a life coach and your primary offering is a monthly online membership that provides access to a library of resources, a community of users, and web members. Let's also say that this membership costs $100 per month. After a person has purchased a membership from you, you can decide to provide them the opportunity to participate in private one-on-one coaching sessions. A participant has the ability to select the topic that they would like you to concentrate on and ask questions that they might not feel comfortable asking during a live webinar that is held in a virtual room that is crowded with other members. Many individuals are willing to shell out top price in order to acquire this level of individualized attention. Or it could be a lot less complicated than that. If you are a personal trainer who works online, you may provide a free upper body workout that clients can download. When somebody asks for it, an automated email containing the download is sent to them, along with an offer to upgrade to a thorough 12-week program that ensures they will see results. 4. Sell complementary products to one another. When a customer makes a purchase, it provides you with information about their preferences and interests. You can use this information to persuade them to buy additional things that they would like as well. In point of fact, an email with the subject line, "Because you purchased this, you might be interested in this," is probably already sitting in your inbox at the moment. Customers who shop with you online and receive targeted and personalized messages from you are more likely to make additional purchases in the future. An excellent example of a cross-sell would be the following. An online class is typically what's required to earn certification as a nutrition coach. After they have finished the course, they will immediately receive an email that cross-sells them further courses, in this case, yoga certificates or strength and conditioning certifications. 5. Make sure to get repeat business. In a manner analogous to that of cross-selling, you might offer a product or service that is designed to encourage repeat purchases. There are instances when sending a polite reminder through email might be an efficient approach to continue bringing in a consistent stream of revenue. This approach to making money through email marketing is perfect for companies that rely on recurrent, seasonal, or perishable commodities because it works exceptionally well for all of these scenarios. For instance, a window cleaning business may send a client a kind reminder via email at the end of each season to encourage the client to plan their next appointment. It's also a good idea to throw in a coupon or discount wherever you can. It's possible that giving someone a discount on their subsequent cleaning will give them the push they need to schedule yet another appointment with you. Or you could just remind your clients that they might want to book their next appointment, and you could even give them the choice to set up reminders for themselves if they aren't quite ready to make a purchase from you just yet. 6. Formulate a strategy to prevent abandoned carts. Because we are all a little forgetful, it should come as no surprise that customers frequently become sidetracked or back out of a purchase because they weren't prepared to make the transaction at that particular time. But if you're running your business off of an e-commerce platform like WooCommerce, you're already aware of what they abandoned. Send them highly relevant emails on autopilot, pushing them to make the purchase of the product or service they were thinking about getting. According to Experian's research, customers who received many emails about abandoned shopping carts had a 2.4 times higher likelihood of completing the transaction compared to customers who received only one follow-up email. You may try sending the first message one day after the abandonment, the second message 48 hours after the first, and maybe even the third message within 3 or 4 days of the first. 7. Request that people share the information with others. Word of mouth is the last strategy I'll discuss in this article, and it's also one of the first marketing tactics. A survey conducted by Nielsen found that an overwhelming majority of consumers, 84%, indicate they either entirely trust or partially believe recommendations made by friends, family, and coworkers regarding different products and services. When it comes to choosing a purchase, this places personal recommendations at the top of the trustworthiness scale for potential sources of information. If you already have a customer base that is engaged and loyal to your company, you should send those customers emails that encourage them to refer your products and services to their other friends and acquaintances. You can also go a step further by requesting that they provide you with positive online evaluations and that they like and share your social feeds. This is another way to go above and above. You might want to consider incorporating referral links as a means of incentivizing your subscribers to spread the word about your brand as well. Your present customers have the ability to advertise trackable links for your company through the use of referral links. Incentives such as discounts, coupons, vouchers, cash, awards, or redeemable points can be offered to current consumers in exchange for them bringing in new paying customers for your business. 8. Automate your email campaigns. You may simply make money with email marketing by setting up automated email marketing campaigns with the help of a partner like Ed Weber. Automated email campaigns, also known as autoresponders, are a series of emails that are automatically delivered to your new subscribers once they have subscribed to your list. This saves you time and effort, allowing you to maintain your focus on whatever it is that truly excites you. Your welcome email should be the very first message sent out by your autoresponder series. Its purpose is to introduce your subscribers to the kinds of messages they can anticipate receiving from you in the future. Due to the fact that welcome emails typically have better engagement rates than other sorts of emails, this is also an excellent moment to make a sale. I hope you get some knowledge of this Make Money with Email Marketing. And make sure you like, subscribe, turn on bell notifications for more content like this. Thanks for watching.